It's April 2026. New month, new budget, new chance to get your money right. In the next 12 minutes, I'm walking you through my exact April budget using the zero-based method plus sinking funds. How I'm allocating over $2,300 to savings and investing this month while still living my life. Let's go. Welcome to Daily Money Mindset. If you want to see how real budgets work without the fluff, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe. We drop strategies every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Let me show you how this works. Zero-based budgeting means every single dollar gets a job before the month starts. Income minus expenses minus savings equals zero. Nothing sits unassigned. This forces you to be intentional. No, I'll figure it out later money. Here's my April income. After-tax salary, freelance project, side gig total, $4,800 net for the month. That's what I have to work with. Step 1. Fixed expenses that don't change month to month. Rent, $1,200. Utilities, $120. Internet, $60. Phone, $50. Car insurance, $110. Health insurance, $200. Student loan payment, $150. Total fixed, $1,890. These hit automatically, non-negotiable, already allocated. Step 2. Variable expenses, things I control but need every month. Groceries, $400. Gas, $120. Eating out, $150. Entertainment, $80. Personal care, $60. Clothing, $50. Miscellaneous, $100. Total variable, $960. Now here's where zero-based gets powerful. I'm not guessing these numbers. I pulled last 3 months of spending, averaged it, then trimmed 10%. $400 for groceries? That's based on $360 average, rounded up for buffer. This isn't deprivation, it's reality-based planning. Step 3. Sinking funds. This is the game changer most people skip. Sinking funds are mini savings accounts for irregular expenses you know are coming. You save monthly, so when the bill hits, the money's already there. No panic, no credit cards. My April sinking funds. Car maintenance, $50 monthly. I know I'll need tires or brakes eventually. 12 months times 50 equals $600 saved when it happens. Annual subscriptions, $40 monthly. Amazon Prime, Spotify, software renewals. I divide the yearly cost by 12 and save it every month. Gifts, $75 monthly. Birthdays, holidays, weddings, $900 yearly divided by 12. Travel fund, $100 monthly. Even if I don't travel this year, it rolls over. Next year, I've got $1,200 for a trip without touching regular income. Insurance deductibles, $30 monthly. If I have a car accident or medical emergency, I've got my deductible covered. Home repairs, $60 monthly. Even renters need this for replacing furniture, unexpected moves, deposits. Total sinking funds, $355 monthly. These go into a high-yield savings account, labeled by category in a spreadsheet. When the expense hits, I move money from sinking fund to checking, pay the bill, done. No stress, no debt. Step 4. Savings and investing. This is where wealth gets built. Emergency fund. I already have 6 months' expenses saved, about $11,000. That's untouchable except for real emergencies. If you don't have this yet, this is priority 1 before any investing. Roth IRA. Max contribution for 2026 is $7,500 yearly. That's $625 monthly. I automate this. Money moves on payday, invests in a target date fund. I never see it. 401k. I contribute 6% to get my employer's full match. They match 50% up to 6% of salary. Free money. Non-negotiable. My 6% is $240 monthly. They add $120. Total retirement this month. $865 including employer match. Brokerage account. After maxing tax-advantaged accounts, I put $200 monthly into a taxable brokerage. Low-cost index funds. Long-term wealth building. Total savings and investing this month. 1,065 in accounts I control, plus 120 employer match. 1,185 total going to future me. Add the 355 in sinking funds, that's 1,540 being saved or invested this month. Over 30% of my income. Let's add it up. Fixed expenses, 1,890. Variable expenses, 960. Sinking funds, 355. Savings and investing, 1,185. Total, 4,390. Wait, I said my income is 4,800. Where's the extra 410? Overflow fund. Every month, after allocating everything, leftover money goes into an overflow account. This is my life happens buffer. Grocery week was expensive? Pull from overflow. Friend's birthday dinner? Overflow. Car repair under my sinking fund amount? Overflow covers it. At end of month, if there's still money in overflow, it gets split. Half to next month's overflow to build the buffer, half to extra investing. This month's 410, 205 stays in overflow for May, 205 goes to brokerage account as bonus investment. That's zero-based budgeting. Every dollar assigned. No mystery money. No where did it go at month end. Now let's talk execution, because a budget on paper means nothing if you don't follow it. I use a spreadsheet, Google Sheets, free, accessible on phone. Every Sunday night I do a money check-in, 15 minutes. Review last week's spending, adjust this week's plan if needed. Check sinking fund totals, confirm automated investments hit. This weekly habit is the difference between people who budget and people who stay on budget. Payday routine. Money hits account, I immediately move it. 625 to Roth IRA, 240 to 401k, 200 to brokerage, 355 to sinking funds savings account, overflow to separate checking account. What's left covers fixed and variable expenses for the month. I cannot overspend because the money's already gone. This is the power of paying yourself first. Common mistakes people make with zero-based budgets. 1. They budget gross income instead of net. Budget what actually hits your account after taxes. 2. They forget irregular expenses. Save monthly in a sinking fund. 3. They don't track. Weekly check-ins keep you honest. 4. They're too restrictive. Build in realistic fund money. 5. They quit after one bad month. Adjust next month. A budget is a living document. Why does this matter? Because most people making $4,800 monthly are broke. They spend $5,000 somehow. Lifestyle creeps up, subscriptions pile on, eating out becomes daily, and they wonder where the money went. Zero-based budgeting kills that. You know exactly where every dollar goes before you spend it. After 6 months of this, you'll have $6,000 in additional savings from sinking funds, $7,000 in retirement accounts, $1,200 in taxable brokerage, $8,000 total wealth built, plus you covered car maintenance, insurance deductibles, travel, gifts without using a credit card once. That's the difference between a budget and no budget. Not deprivation, wealth. Here's your action plan. 1. Calculate your actual net monthly income. 2. List all fixed expenses with due dates. 3. Average last 3 months variable spending per category. 4. Create sinking funds for every irregular expense. 5. Automate savings and investing to happen on payday. 6. Assign every remaining dollar a job. 7. Do weekly 15-minute money check-ins every Sunday. This is the system. It works if you work it. Drop a comment. What's your biggest budget struggle? Hit like, subscribe, grab our free template in the description. See you Monday.